this git blam command also used for checking purpose, like if you want to check this particular file changed by which particular author at which time, we are able to do like git blam. Then there is a file name, like we need to give file name. We have a readme.txt, right? So let me give that single file name. So it is showing here like these are the different commit ID, and this particular username, your name, that is we set, so that will be xyz name, and this particular time this kind of commit message. So this is changes done by these different authors on this particular file. So we are able to blam means we are able to identify which users did which specific change in this particular file. Okay, so this way blam command will use for blamming, I mean identifying purpose. This reset command is for just to say, for example, currently in this git branch, right now we have this task to line 1. Okay, and if we see git branch, we are in master branch and we have a git log this. Okay, if we don't want this task to line 1 changes somehow, and we want to set our head, set our head to this particular commit, previous commit. In that case, we are able to use this command like git reset. So instead of this commit as a head, we want to remove these changes and we want to make this commit as a head. We are able to do that with reset command like git reset dash hard, and then we can keep this commit ID. So in that case, after running this command, this line will be removed. Okay, those changes will be removed and it will go to the previous commit. So you can see head is now set at this particular commit. Okay, so if we see here git branch now, and if we refresh this file, so this changes is already gone. So if we do git log now in master branch, it will show us those two commit only. Okay, and our head is at this commit which we reset at. Okay, reset hard.